Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to unlock credit score monitoring in Revolut. Step 1. Open the Revolut app and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Step 2. Go to the Hub tab and look for the credit score feature. If it's not visible on your end, tap the search icon and type credit. Step 3. Select credit score and then tap enable. And then you will be prompted to verify your identity with a selfie and a valid ID. Step 4. Once you are verified, link your credit profile. And then Revolut partners with Experian, TransUnion, or Equifax depending on your region. Step 5. Accept the terms and give Revolut permission to fetch your credit report. Step 6. You will now see your credit score on the dashboard. It will update monthly and shows your credit utilization, history, and tips to improve your score. Step 7. To receive alerts, enable the push notifications and email updates under settings, and then notifications, and then credit. And now, you have free access to credit score monitoring inside Revolut. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.